guys, what's up? Welcome back to my Band Baja Budget series. This is JB. In today's video, we are going to be doing a wedding decoration DIY again. So this is a wedding stage that you can be doing and decorating for your wedding function, for your haldi, mehendi, sangeet, जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. This is a completely colorful decoration and it's a total DIY. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you from starting to end how to decorate the entire stage. Let's get started. Guys, before we start, I just want to take like 2 minutes of your time to tell you two very important things. पहली बात तो ये है कि in case you are watching my videos, अगर आपको मेरे videos अच्छे लगते हैं तो please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. मैंने actually ये चीज़ देखा है over the time that 80% of people who are watching my videos are not subscribed to my channel, and that really hurts. You know, as a creator, I need the motivation, guys. So please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And secondly, मैं एक और चीज़ आपसे बोलना चाहती थी. In case you wanna purchase DIY wedding decoration props, so do check out the description box. I have the link to my online wedding store. You can go check that out and you can see the wedding props that are on my shop. So do check that out, guys, in case you want to have a DIY wedding decoration stage of your own and you want to purchase props. So without much further ado, let's get started to our video today, guys. So guys, the stage decoration in the center is what we are going to make, and I'm going to show you how to make the props for that. So first we're going to make this pom-pom marigold hanging. So this is made from kite paper or tissue paper, and this is totally beautiful. I totally personally love these pom-pom hangings. So to start with, stack these tissue papers or kite papers that you have one above the other. I have 10 sheets of kite paper here with me. So guys, I'm going to fold it in a zigzag way. Please watch very carefully how I'm going to fold it. So I'm going to take it really slow. मैं बिल्कुल भी fast forward नहीं कर रही हूँ इस वीडियो को, क्योंकि मैंने और जो वीडियो देखे थे ऑनलाइन टिश्यू पेपर्स बनाने के लिए, they were all super fast and I really had a problem checking out कि मतलब ये बनता कैसे है. तो I'm going to take it really slow. Watch it very carefully how I do it. Now once that it is completely folded, let's tie a thread right in the middle. So one thing that I want to say here is that do tie the thread properly, but बहुत ज़्यादा tight भी मत करिएगा because kite paper जो है वो बहुत easily फट जाता है. So please be careful when you are doing things with kite paper. Also cut both the edges of the tissue paper, cut both the sides of the folded tissue paper so that it's a bit curvy on the edges. Now slowly open up both the sides like this. Mind you guys, when you're dealing with kite paper, please be very careful. Do it very slow. बिल्कुल भी जल्दबाजी नहीं, because ये फट सकता है. It can be torn very easily. So when you're dealing with kite paper, please be very slow and gentle. So I'm just gonna take out one sheets each, and we basically have to make it in a circular shape. So we have to pull out the sheets on all the sides 360 degree. Please do it very slowly and just check out how I'm doing it. I'm just gonna take out one sheets of paper each. So basically I'm just gonna pull out the kite paper in all the directions and make sure that I have a fluffy pom-pom in hand at last. Well guys, just wanna say in between that in case you're liking this video and you haven't yet subscribed, please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And in case you want to DIY your own wedding, do check out the link in the description box, which is the link to my online wedding store. So guys, we're almost done with the kite paper pom-pom. This looks totally beautiful. I loved this, after making it. So now I'm gonna attach marigold flowers string that I have here. You can either use artificial flowers or natural flowers. It's totally up to you. And we are done with the upper side of the stage decoration. So make these pom-pom hangings and you can do the arch which is there in the above side of the stage. So now let's see how to make this colorful flower hanging which is so beautiful and refreshing. तो इसका बेस बनाने के लिए I am going to be using cardboard and foam sheet. So this is a brown color foam sheet that I am going to be sticking on the piece of cardboard that I have. Cardboard तो आपको ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा यार घर पे. There will be so much of old cardboard in the house. Foam sheet you can buy from any stationery store. This is a brown foam sheet. I have just cut it up into 4 equal parts like this. Now once the foam sheet is properly stuck on the cardboard, I'm going to be making a mesh like this. This is going to be the flower holder. और मैं यहाँ पे फेविकॉल यूज़ कर रही हूँ. आप फेविक्विक भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. Any strong adhesive to stick it properly and give it some time to dry.
तो
once it's dry, I'm going to be attaching marigold strings again to this holder. यहाँ पे भी आप fresh flowers का यूज़ कर सकते हो, मैं यहाँ पे artificial flowers का यूज़ कर रही हूँ. I got this from Amazon. अगर आपको चाहिए तो please check out the link in the description box. So guys, since our color theme is yellow, pink and blue, I'm gonna be using blue and pink flowers here. You can either use natural flowers or artificial flowers, totally आपकी मर्जी है. I am using plastic flowers here, so this way you can hang that particular flower holder onto your backdrop and just put the flowers inside. It is going to stay. So guys, we are done with the props. Now you can decorate your stage like this. Go ahead guys, give this a shot. I'm sure it's gonna turn out really good. So to create the backdrop, you can either use dupattas, bed sheets, or you can even buy backdrop sheets. I got this cloth for like 50-60 rupees per meter and this looks really cool. I've also got this backdrop stand from Amazon. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section below कि आपको ये decoration कैसा लगा. See you guys next week. Lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.